So, what is Bitcoin? Perhaps it is best to start with the words of its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, which we find in the original white paper. Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. A purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash would allow online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Digital signatures provide part of the solution, but the main benefits are lost if a trusted third party is still required to prevent double spending. We propose a solution to the double spending problem using a peer-to-peer network. The network timestamps transactions by hashing them into an ongoing chain of hash-based proof of work, forming a record that cannot be changed without redoing the proof of work. To understand what Satoshi meant with these words, we'll have to explain a few important concepts in a bit more detail. First off, Bitcoin's creator placed a great emphasis on the network's peer-to-peer nature. This means that Bitcoin is a decentralized network. There isn't any central party responsible for managing the system. It is a truly democratic platform open to everyone to participate and contribute. As Satoshi Nakamoto suggests, the main idea is to have a system without intermediaries that still prevents double spending with the sole involvement of peers on the network. Until Bitcoin came around, people could not transact directly with each other over the Internet without the involvement of a trusted central party. This is because money transmitted electronically isn't like other types of information or digital items. You can take a picture and share it with all your friends on Facebook, but if you have $1 and want to share it, you cannot send the same $1 to each of your friends. Double spending can occur when a user tries to spend the same unit of digital currency or coin twice at the same time, thus effectively multiplying the money one has by just copying it. This is equivalent to counterfeiting currency in the real world. If double spending were to exist, the system would not be an effective store of value and would lack one of the fundamental prerequisites of money: scarcity. Imagine you were shopping online, and you want to pay using digital currency. Let's say you have a few coins in your wallet. You like a brand new movie on Amazon and an audiobook on Audible. You want to have both, but the digital money you have is sufficient for one of the two only. What if you were able to use the same digital currency in order to buy both goods? Before the Amazon or Audible guys know that you have spent the same coins twice, you will be able to click purchase on both websites in the same few seconds and download the products. Double spending is a problem that is unique to digital currencies because digital information can be reproduced relatively easily. Physical currencies do not have this issue, as they cannot be easily replicated. You all probably have an idea of all the protections in place that secure the banknotes in your wallet from anyone simply copying them. Bitcoin was the first digital currency system to solve the double spending problem in a decentralized way, and the solution is indeed elegant and ingenious. All transactions on the Bitcoin network are recorded on a shared public transaction log, also known as blockchain database. On the Bitcoin blockchain, the network timestamps the first transaction where the owner spends a specific coin and rejects any subsequent attempts by the same owner to spend the same coin, thus eliminating double spending. The network is smart, and its blocks keep record of who owns a coin right now and who has already spent it. At this point you may think, okay, but this doesn't seem like such an incredible innovation. After all, they just keep a record of all transactions in order of appearance in a ledger, just like any bank or similar financial intermediary does. Well, yes, but the uniqueness of this solution is that the transaction verification and recording is done in a decentralized way by the entire network, rather than by a single trusted central authority. Remember, Satoshi's goal is to eliminate third parties that can be potential central points of failure. Hence, any such verification must be performed by peers themselves and not by any middlemen. In our next lesson, we'll discuss in more detail how Bitcoin's decentralized model is different from the existing legacy financial infrastructure. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.